Alright, so last time we got drag and drop with grouping working. I'm just going to delete a few to-dos so that we don't have to scroll every time. Let's delete this one. We don't need to walk the cat, that's kind of unnecessary. This one seems dangerous. Let's just not do dishes or make dinner. Let's delete this one, and this one, and this one. Alright, no more scrolling. So let's open up our create.view. And these aren't quite lining up anymore. So I'll change this to 27.5 for the width. And that lines them up again. And we'll add some radio buttons for each category. Put those below the button. Type equals radio, name equals category ID, value equals 1. This will be for today. Copy that. Value equals 2. Value equals 3. This one's tomorrow. This one is next week. Save. There we go. We'll just format it a little bit. Give it a padding top. 0.25 VH. And a padding left. 1.5 VW. And the buttons work, but we'd also like it so that if you click on the word, it'll change the button. So we'll wrap them all in labels. And if I press Alt, it'll select them all. Okay, now if we click on any of the words, it should select the radio button. Yep, that's working. Just adding the label does that. And we'll just give it a pointer. There we go. That looks good. And we'll just add some space between the options. So we'll add some right padding after the first and second one. That looks better. But it doesn't work yet. We'll add the radio buttons to the form. So category ID. And we'll set the default value to 1. And we have to connect this to the radio button inputs with vModel. Form.category ID. But we also have to add it to the model. To-do.php. Description completed, and we can also fill in the category ID. Alright, and now it's auto-populating. I'm just going to add a space here. There, that's better. And we also have to modify the to-do controller in the create function. And we have to specify it here because it's not nullable. So save that, and let's try adding a task. So go to sleep. Add. Oh, nothing happens. If we refresh, now it shows up. And this is because we changed how it gets the data for drag and drop with grouping. So we have to add a watch function. So we're going to have to watch the data in todos.view. We'll have to import watch from view as well. I'll just paste in this watch function. I didn't write it, so I can't explain it. I just know that it works. So I'll save it. And I'll just delete this one and try it again. See if it appears right away. Go to sleep. Add. Yay! So our create function is functional again. Just upload this to GitHub. Okay, it's there. Alright, so that's it for drag and drop. Next, we'll get started on a big giant job, making a login system.